Tomato and soap will get you a younger looking skin. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing, turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos you get notified and come and watch. So in this channel I share beauty tips and health tips, majorly beauty tips. Continue watching because it gains so much from this video. I will show you what to add into this tomato to make you achieve a younger looking skin. No matter how old you are, even if you are 60, 70, applying this treatment will remove so many age from your age. Your skin will glow beautifully. If you desire this supple skin, like well nourished, vibrant skin, this will get you that skin. So you have to continue watching because this will help you greatly. I'm going to show you two steps, two different ways to make use of tomato. I want to start with the first one of making use of tomato to make a mask, a facial mask that will help greatly when it penetrates into your skin gland. It's going to help to give you this smooth, supple and glowing skin. With consistency, you will achieve a younger skin. So the first thing you have to do is to get your tomato, wash it thoroughly, make sure it's very clean. Then you have to grate it using your grater. Grate it. You need that paste. That is what we need. You can as well transfer it into your blender. Add a little water, blend it until it's in a thick paste. That is what we need. The tomato is going to help so well to fight signs of aging. It gives a glowing skin. It lightens pigmentations, like if you have dark spots, it helps to clear it out. If you want to unify your complexion, to make your skin to look even, it will get you that skin. Thanks to the lycopene it contains, a powerful antioxidant that helps so well to fight free radical damage and making you to look younger all the time. So get tomato and get that paste as I said. So the next one to get is rice powder. Okay, this is rice powder. I got this from the supermarket, but in case you cannot get it, you can actually prepare your rice powder at home by using your rice grain. Turn it into a rice powder. You can just wash your rice grain, dry it under the sun, turn it into a powder form by using your food processor or your blender. You'll be sure that it's 100% natural, and that is rice powder. Rice helps to exfoliate the skin, remove dead skin cells, making sure your skin is tighter, like helping to lift saggy skin. It helps to take care of any signs of aging, laugh lines, deep wrinkles, making sure your skin is looking flawless and beautiful. You will achieve a brighter, younger skin. So the next one to get is sugar. Okay, you can make use of brown or white sugar. Sugar contains alpha hydroxyl acid, helps to give you that beautiful look, like your skin will glow beautifully, helping to get rid of dead skin cells that makes you look dull and old. The result will give you that glowing younger skin. So you have to get white sugar or brown sugar. So another one to get here is almond oil. So I'm going to tell you how to mix the quantity so that you get perfect result. So the first ingredient you have to measure in is 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Remember, I've told you how to grate it or blend it. Add it 1 tablespoon into the bowl. Then you have to measure 1 tablespoon of rice powder. Add it into the bowl as well. Another one to add is sugar. 1 tablespoon of your ground sugar, add it into the clean bowl. So you have to mix them together before adding the oil. So you need almond oil, half tablespoon only. So when you are mixing it and you notice that the treatment is still thick, you have to add either water or rose water. So I've discussed in my other videos what you can achieve from rose water. Rose water helps to purify the skin. It's for all skin types. It helps to balance skin pH. I don't have it right here, but I've been showing it in my other videos. It helps greatly to give you a glowing, beautiful look. Like your skin will get younger all the time when you make use of rose water. So if you do not have rose water, you can use ordinary water for mixing. Be mixing them together little by little until the treatment is very smooth, well blended, and without any lump. Wash your skin thoroughly and apply this treatment all over anywhere you want to make younger. Apply to get your skin glowing. Apply to tighten your skin to remove signs of aging. When you are done, leave this treatment for 15-20 minutes and you are all good. So after 15-20 minutes, wash it off and pat dry. Apply a light moisturizer and you're all good. If you repeat this treatment 3 times weekly, you will see that your skin will not need any cream. Your skin will get brighter, well nourished, very bright and supple. So continue with this treatment and those wrinkles will fade out. So another way to make use of tomato is to, you have to cut it open. Wash it thoroughly, then you have to cut it into 2, just like this. I love this type a lot. I do it in case sometimes when I'm lazy, when I don't feel like making a mask, and it works the same. Okay, so this is a perfect way to treat dark spots. This is a perfect way to remove acne. This is also a perfect way to get your skin that glowing natural look. So cut it into 2, then add your sugar. So this is sugar, like I said earlier. Get brown or white sugar, then you have to add just a little on the tomato, just like this. So wash the affected area, remove all makeups, then you have to be scrubbing it on your skin, just like this. This is very, very effective at clearing away dark spots, removing blemishes, pigmentations, balancing your skin, glowing your skin, making sure your skin is glowing without makeup. Your skin will age less. Okay, add it anywhere you want, apply anywhere you want, and you will never regret this treatment. Continue adding your sugar, okay, as a scrub. Just scrub, add more sugar and scrub, and leave it on for 15 minutes to dry. Wash it off using a lukewarm water. This is just perfect. Like, you will love the result. So this is how to make use of the soap. So here is how to make use of the soap. Here is Dove soap. I'm not promoting any products, okay, and I don't promote any product on this channel. I love Dove because it's very mild. Babies can make use of it, children can make use of it, and I make use of it because it leaves my skin looking very clear. You feel that wet, clean face if you make use of Dove. So I decided to share with you this. Dove is actually very good, very mild, but helps to balance the skin pH. Very neutral. The pH balance is neutral. So just make use of it to wash your skin, wash off all makeup. You can actually use it as your facial soap or your general body soap, and you will love it. It helps to take away so much makeups. Like if you are used to applying all these heavy makeups, it helps to remove it, making sure your skin is well cleansed. So this is very important to clean your skin before applying any facial treatment like this. After applying it as well, it's best to make use of this soap to clean out, and ensure your skin is looking well clean. So when you are done washing it off with this soap or any other soap, depending your choice, if you want, so you have to apply a light moisturizer and you're all good. Your skin will look like 16 years old. You will never have those wrinkles. It will help to delay signs of aging. Like, your skin will be looking way younger and younger all the time. Go on and try this soap with tomato. Make a paste with tomato, like I added other ingredients. You will never regret it. So go on and apply this treatment. Use it 3 times weekly for best results. You can store the remedy for 5 days in the fridge, maximum of 5 days. After that, you throw it away, make a fresh one. So repeat this treatment consistently. You will never have any signs of aging. No wrinkles, no puffy eyes, no dark look. Your skin will look well uniform with glowing, beautiful skin. So go on and try it and you never regret it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.